Busia, Aquaba Tuti, I say she be cooking with Sindaco. And our first time I shall Aquaba Busia. Click on the red button and turn on notification bell and send a notification as update. Anytime a new video will drop. Then there's a very simple thing. You have a better buyer. You want to do sausage and that's a hooster and attach. Very simple thing. And my washing by no na me dey use kakra gun this am na nchi kakra gun na nchi no am by any taste kakra it's my function 1/3 of teaspoon so be 5 minutes bi na nchi no dissolve nsu mu na mfi by any sutu your taste mo who start so hard the best na no me best na no ntino ma fa kurin fi with the kebab stick no the best na no dey fast can and I mark one day carbon mark. Carbon mark. About to move to no kaka make sure who the cave because who's the Ankasano it will be among them to make sure the cave be Mafa I'm going to be one Mafa I'm going to be free. But I hear you what they it's soft, the baby inside. It's a by now be 15 minutes. Yeah, to the Mr. Sisi, SHITO say, Pere who do me a SHITO na kwa description box na media link ko home. Another here top right corner na link wa click kuda abacho do me a SHITO no. Ewa. Nti se ba ina e show no who style no. Yeah, we said by intro now, baby. That's why, baby. Kitchen, they were high. Let's show the world. Then ya cold, they be. Now they do akuma. It's me SOBOLO no glass, my dear. SOBOLO. Somebody will do me a SOBOLO now. Call description box no. Link or how bet you do me a SOBOLO. Catch by any way no. Yeah, who's the baby like guy? What they? And I like some of the draw into no. Yeah, they are. It will have him. But I'm just trying to start BRB. My God. In the first of 25 minutes, 30 minutes, now you're buying a usually. That's not make sure on who's done. Spices inside it. There's no need there, but I use additional spices that come. As I say, to try being one of the Philippines this weekend, and I said this week, yeah, what's up? It's time to can subscribe here. Click on the red button, then notification bell on turn on. Say be a notification update. Anytime you have a new video, yeah, we should have to tell a friend and tell a brother.